Hello friends and welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to discuss the top 6 part-time jobs that you can do in 2021 which are more popular and which can earn more without investing any money. Okay, so here we have got anyone can earn. Okay, so any person who likes to do a part-time job can definitely do. It's not all about your qualification or anything. Okay, the next is that wherever you are you can do. If you have a computer or a mobile phone in your hand, then definitely you will be able to do this job. Okay, so now let's move on to the first type of job that you can do, that is online tutoring. Okay, so online tutoring means the tutor as well as the students will be meeting on a online platform such as Google Meet, Zoom, Cisco WebEx, etc. Okay, and according to the subject that you want you can choose. Okay, the most popular online tutoring platform is White Hat JR. Okay, they have got opportunities for teaching students coding as well as teaching students music. Okay, so if you are interested in both of them, then definitely you can just go approach White Hat JR. Okay, also there are so many other opportunities, online tutoring opportunities that you can see in the job portals. Okay, so just go and search for online tutoring opportunities. So according to whatever subject you want you can teach. Even freelance online tutoring jobs are available. Okay, because how much ever money you want you can ask them and they'll be sending you through Google Pay or any other payment methods. Okay, and then you can teach them in an online platform. Okay, so this is a very good opportunity to for people who likes to teach students. Okay, the next one is the Chegg India. Okay, so have you guys heard of Chegg India? It is an online platform where we can clear the doubt of the students. Okay, so there will be so many students globally who have an access to Chegg India. Okay, so those students has got some doubts in any of the subjects, they will be asking the questions in Chegg India online platform. Okay, and if you are a tutor or if you are a person who can clear the doubts from the Chegg India, then definitely you can go and create an account. Okay, so from your account what you have to do is that the questions will be given there itself. Okay, you have to just answer them. It's not from your what you have studied or from your brain that you have to take all the definitions and then give back the answer. No, you can even make a research in the Google or anywhere you want and then get a very good answer for the students and then give them a reply. Okay, so if they likes those reply, they'll be definitely giving you points. Okay, so these points are going to be converted into the dollars and you can definitely transfer it to your account. Okay, so that is the online platform of Chegg India. The next one is the social media content creator. Okay, a social media content creator is a person who creates content for social media platforms. Okay, it can be fun, that which means entertainment, comedy or any other creation, but it's not all about YouTube content creator. Okay, there is something called social media content creator like Instagram influencers, so YouTubers as well as Facebook videos. Okay, so Facebook also has got something called videos where you can post your video and the YouTube will be giving you a revenue. Okay, Instagram influencers means if you are a person who can influences others using the products that is given by you for a company. Okay, so suppose a company gives you a saree or an Instagram online store gives you a saree and you are able to style in different ways and make the people understand the worth of that product. Okay, then you are definitely a Instagram influencer. Okay, So that is also a trending job, a part-time job that is done by so much of people in social media platforms. Okay, the next one is the background removal jobs. Okay, so what does a background removal jobs means? While you take a picture, you can see a picture with a background, right? Here also in this visual also you can see that there is a shoe with the background, right? So definitely it's like that itself. Okay, so what you have to do is just remove the background. Okay, and the after picture shows that how it should be looking. Okay, the next one is the girl with a dress and a green or a bluish pastel background, and what you have to do is remove it. Okay, there are so many online platforms that gives you an opportunity to remove the background. Okay, one of the popular websites are or the online background removal one is www.remove.bg. okay, which I even are using to remove the background removal. Okay, these jobs are always there, background removal jobs are always there in Amazon, eBay, etc. Okay, so I hope everyone understood how this online background jobs works. Okay, the next one is the network chain marketing. Okay, it is an online marketing network. Okay, you have to sell some products. Okay, so which you might have heard of something called Oriflame as well as Amway. Okay, they are called chain marketing. Okay, so let's see what is chain marketing. Okay, it's not all about selling the products of that company. Okay, there is something like you will get a commission back. Okay, so suppose you have to take yourself to be the maroon one. Okay, and you are making two of the people join your team. Okay, which means the left team and the right team. Okay, so once when they purchase or make any purchases for their customers also, you will be getting a percent of a commission to you. Okay, so now let's see that blue person again has two of the team members, which is green, right? So even if the green one buys some of the products from the company, okay, then also the blue one will get as well as the maroon will also be able to get the commission. Okay, now let's see the orange, again they are subdividing. Okay, so now you can see that the orange one also, if any of the orange ones buys anything, then also the green ones get the commission, blue gets the commission, and the maroon gets the commission. Okay, so this is how it works. So how much ever people are there under you, that much of commission you will be able to get without spending any money buying these products. Okay, but don't worry if the products will be of good quality or what will be the quality of the products, that the company will ensure that the product that you are getting is always of the high quality. Okay, the products that are usually used for this chain marketings are, you will have the daily products such as the soap, shampoo, cleaner, floor cleaner, bathroom cleaner, and everything. Okay, and the next one is like you will be able to have something like the health drinks. There are so many protein drinks these days that are available in the market, right? The best quality health drinks are will be provided by them. Okay, also if you are like purchasing, if you have got customers like more than 10 customers who are buying always these products, then definitely you will be able to get additional bonus as well. Okay, so all the people who have got a high number of contacts can definitely take up this job. Okay, or all the people who like the marketing also can take this job. Okay, because you will be able to get so much of commissions. Even if you just pass one level to the another level, then definitely you are able to get some travel bonuses as well. Okay, so that itself is given by the company, okay, because by this company. Now let's move on to the next one. It is the affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company compensates third party publishers to generate a traffic or leads companies products and services. Okay, so what you have got here is that, have you all heard of something like cashkaro.com? If you haven't heard, don't worry, okay, you can directly search in the Play Store or the App Store for cashkaro.com. okay, it is a reselling application. Like there are almost 1500 plus online sites including Amazon, Flipkart, Ajio, Tata Click, etc. okay, so from all of these sites, there are so many 1500 sites, and if you purchase from this site, there will be a offer in the site, okay, definitely you will be getting that, plus a cashback. Some amount of the money you have spent will be given back to you, okay, and you can definitely change it into your account, okay. That is one way how you can earn using this Cashkaro application. Another way of earning in the Cashkaro is that you have to refer your friends or family, okay. Suppose you have got 5 friends, okay, so you are adding 5 friends, like refer and earn. There will be a link given to you in the application, okay. So what you have to do is just copy it, send it to your friends and family, and anyone joins, that means then they are purchasing some things, then a percent of their purchase also will be given to you additionally, okay, which means they want customers, okay. Here you can see, to generate traffic or leads to the company products, so you have to sell maximum products, okay. So according to that amount, you will be definitely able to get a bonus or a additional amount, okay, as a commission, okay. So definitely try this, okay. If you haven't downloaded, what you have to do is, in the link in the description box, I have given you a link, okay. Do join using that link, and then you will be able to get some money instantly, okay. And if you guys have any doubt in this video, please do let me know, okay. So these were the top 6 part-time jobs that we have discussed. One is online tutoring, which is teaching these students through online platforms. The next is Check India. Whatever question you know the answers, you can definitely tell them to the students and make the students clear about a subject, okay. That is a good platform to earn, because in each question you will be earning about 100 to 200 rupees according to the subject, okay. The next is the social media content creator. It's not all about YouTube content creator, it's all about Instagram influencers as well as Facebook videos, okay. The next one is the background removal jobs, okay. So there are so many background removal jobs that are available, okay. Amazon, eBay, because their products are all background removed to white, right. So such jobs are available, okay. The next is the chain marketing, like for Oriflame, Amway, and there are so many other things, Modicare, etc. okay. The affiliate marketing, you can use the Cashkaro application, okay. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment box. Please do like, share and subscribe my videos, okay, and give me a feedback on how the next video can be taken, or what is the interesting topic that you want me to do, okay. And if it was helpful, please do let me know, okay. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye and see you in the next video with some other interesting topic. Bye.